In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fog light on your Honda Accord. Using a trim tool, we're going to take off all the clips on the upper grille. Remove the Phillips head screw on the corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. We're also going to remove the third row of clips. Start at one corner of the bumper and pull straight out. And disconnect the bumper from the clips. And then do the same thing on the other side. Remove the connector for the fog light. Push on the tab and pull down. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have your connectors undone, remove the bumper. Using a Phillips head bit, remove all of the screws for the fog light housing. Remove the fog light housing. Install the new fog light assembly. Install your screws. Install the connectors for the fog lights. Do the same thing on the other side. Start at one corner of the vehicle and pop the bumper into the fender. Then pull it around and click it into the other side and under the headlights. Tuck the fender liner in behind the bumper. Install the Phillips head screw. Install the clips into the top of the grille. There should be 4. Install the clips along this line.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.